guys, Running Kimono here. So before we talk about the awesome deals that are taking place today at Walgreens, we're going to talk really quickly about the Fetch Rewards app. Of all of the apps, this one is my favorite. So guys, if you haven't downloaded this app, I suggest that you do, because between now and Christmas, they often have a ton of freebies. It's as simple as going to the link in the notes, downloading it, using my referral code. It's right there on the screen. And when you photograph your first receipt, it could be a pack of gum that you bought last week or an Egg McMuffin that you bought this morning, you're given 2,000 points. Photograph any receipt and get back points for any purchase. As you could see, guys, I bought some Dove body wash. I got back 599 points, which is basically like 60 cents. All these points amount towards gift card. There's just under 200 different types of gift cards you can get in their catalog. They even have freebies on their discoveries page. This Ozo plant-based meat. I mean, oh my gosh. I would go to the store, buy this, and then photograph my receipt. And whatever the cost of that pack of Ozo meat is, they would put it back in my account as points. It's a very easy process. And if you've been kind of sitting on the fence about signing up for this app, November and December, they have often a ton of freebies. So sign up so you can start saving money, getting little freebies here and there. And it's just a terrific app and the easiest one to use. This is a really great Walgreens haul today. I had the mystery coupons. I know a lot of you didn't get it, and I think we had a window of a couple hours to load them, and if you didn't load them, it's just the way the breaks of this sometimes over at Walgreens with their digital mystery coupons. So I had, I think, like 6 on my account. I had 2 5 off of 10s, a 5 off of 15, and then a 6 off of 20 that I utilized today. So that was quite a bit of savings, like $21 of mystery coupons. Yeah, I'll take that. So I'm going to jog you through what I specifically did. And even if you don't have the mystery coupons, you could still get in on some of these amazing deals. And before we really dive into it, Walgreens is offering a free 8x10 photo. So you would go on your desktop computer or through your phone, whatever you're using, and use the code just for you, and you will get 1 free 8x10 photo per account. Today is the last day to get the free bag of beef jerky, 1.25 ounce over at Big Lots. The coupon is automatically loaded to your store card. It's 1 per account, but you would get like a really nice bag of beef jerky for free. This has already been consumed because it is quite delicious, the sweet teriyaki beef jerky. And if you can try and make this happen, today is the last day, which is the 15th, at your participating Big Lots store, and I really like this. Okay, and for a lot of these freebies at Big Lots, what they will do is have a special table or a pop-up right at checkout. So where the cash registers are, they have this little makeshift display of the beef jerky. That's $1.99, the freebie for this little initiative. So that's where I specifically found it at my store, because I know a lot of you will probably go to the regular section and then be like, there's no beef jerky in the store, you're a liar, Kimono. But they're actually right at the front, and don't be shy to ask the employees for a little bit of help, because that is their job, to help you out. Just a quick mail call. If you might have received, if you signed up a couple weeks back, there was an offer to get a free package of pierogies from this company, Mrs. T. Now, I thought it would be kind of fun today to have a little giveaway for this coupon. So to be in the running for this, what you have to do in the comments is let me know where you're from. Say, for example, you're from Columbus, Ohio. Write Columbus, Ohio shopper, and that is your entry. 1 entry per person, and I will be picking the winner on Monday the 16th. Good luck, guys. And I just thought it would be kind of fun to have a giveaway for this box of pierogies, and this is valid until the end of the year. So whomever wins it, there's only 1 winner, unfortunately, will be enjoying a box of pierogies. And like, this is the perfect comfort food for this time of the year because it's so gloomy. Another report for you guys. Well, it is a rainy one out there. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a fantastic day. So as stated, guys, all of my mystery coupons came off perfectly. This is kind of an anomaly over at Walgreens because the last couple of months, man, we were really going through it where things are just not working out. So this first deal, I grabbed 2 of these men's deodorants. They're on a deal where you buy 2 for $10, both the Dove and the Axe. So these are $10 for the 2. Now I was trying to utilize a 5 off of 10 in this basket. So there are $3 digital coupons for this one and this one. That would take off $6, making my balance $4. So I would be short to use that 5 off of 10. So I needed extra in my basket. So I grabbed this little itty bitty one, which is the free one this week. It's a free thing of the Mentos gum. And it is tiny. Like there's like 10 pieces of gum in this. Buy this for 99 cents and then you'll get back a 99-cent register reward. I would still be a penny short. So at checkout, I grabbed one of these caramels. So looking at the math for my little basket here, we have $10 for the deodorant, 99 cents for this guy, 33 cents for that, for a total of $11.32. I had 2 $3 digital coupons loaded to my store card, a $3 for the Axe and a $3 for the Dove, plus a 5 off of 10 mystery coupon. So the new balance I had to pay was 32 cents out of pocket. And I got back a $2 register reward for buying both of these deodorants, plus a 99-cent one for buying the Mentos gum. Now, I already used my register reward for this, so I don't have to show it to you on camera, but I got it. I'll show you in the next slide. And then I photographed my receipt to the Fetch Rewards app for this and got back an extra 100 points. So with the register rewards, the fetch money, and all that other magic, this first basket was free, plus a $2.67 money maker. Okay, so for the next transaction, this was just one too good to pass up. I got 1 of the toilet paper and then 2 of the paper towel. I'm not sure if your town, they're starting to clear toilet paper, panic buying, and all that fun stuff. Actually, it's not really fun. But I just wanted to do this deal because they had all these paper products in stock, and I just, you know, we had a flood in our basement. I used so much paper towel, so this is one deal I wanted to get in on. This morning there was a 2 off of 2 digital coupon that's attaching to the paper towel that showed up, so I loaded that. So grabbing 3 of these for this basket, guys, that's $15 on the nose. In the November Big Book of Savings, we have this $1.25 coupon. You get the cashier to scan that once. The $1.25 will apply to all 3 of these. So scan once, it'll apply 3 times. Plus I had the 5 off of 10 mystery coupon that came off, and I also threw in 4,000 points. I paid 85 cents out of pocket. I got 100 points back from the Fetch Rewards app, and I think I'll also get a quarter back from IBOTTA for that Scott. It's just a killer deal for some really inexpensive paper products. I love this deal. So deal number 3, I was using the 5 off of 15 mystery coupon. So what I grabbed for this, I am very, very curious about this Bodum Company milk frother. If you like a nice latte, it's a tool that you need for your fanciness. And I thought, you know, I've seen enough van lifers who do a lot of coffee that I thought I really wanted to get one for $8. Are you kidding me? Bodum is a top-notch company, so when I saw that for $8, I'm like, OMG. So $8. And then they also have like a coffee press and then a coffee grinder, and I think those are $20 and $25, but $8 for a milk frother, I definitely want to give this a shot. So 8 for that, and these are $3.99 a piece, so 3 of them, that's $11.97. So the total basket for all of this merchandise is $19.97. The 5 off of 15 mystery coupon came off. Plus I had a 5 off of 3 for the crest that also came off. So I threw in 10,000 points to pay down the balance, and I had to pay like a little bit of tax. And then I got back this, which is a $5 register reward for buying the 3 crests. So like, what a great deal. Win, lose, or draw, guys. I was gonna buy that milk frother either way. So to use that mystery coupon in concert with this deal, it's a pretty good little dealio. Okay, so the final deal that we have here, I got 3 of these Cokes. They are buy 2, get 1 for free. So they're $6.19 a pop. So for 2 of them, that is $12.38. Now, I don't know if I misread my Ibotta account. I was rushing through the store because I was juggling 4 different deals. But these are on clearance for $4.99, and there's a $5 Ibotta rebate. So it makes it completely free. I thought you could do a limit of 2, but the limit is only 1. So that was my mistake in that, because I grabbed 2 of them to get my basket over 20 bucks. But you know what? It's okay. I'm sure I will have somebody that would love to have this bronzer. It sells for about $19.99, so to even get it for $4.99 is a really great price point. So for all of this magic, guys, that's a total of $22.36. I had a 6 off of 20 mystery coupon that came off, and then I threw nothing but register rewards in this basket that I had. So my new total was $5.36. Here in Michigan, for bottles, you have to pay a deposit. So for a 12-pack, it's 10 cents per can, so it's $1.20. Or yeah. So anyhow, after everything is said and done, I will get back my $3.60 of bottle deposits, but I paid $4.36 if we're not counting the bottle deposits. I got $5 back from Ibotta for the Jergens. It's a great little deal, like 36 cents for all of this. I'm not gonna lose a lot of sleep over it. Okay guys, just to answer a very quick question before people start flooding it in the comment section about this coupon, $5.99 off of 2. Well, it was in the ad. I did not see a digital this morning. Sometimes the digital coupons will show up later in the day or possibly on Monday. Maybe it was a coding issue or a programming issue or a issue. I don't know. I could not find it, and that's why I didn't get this deal. But keep an eye out for it, and even if you do go and buy it, customer service will comp you that $5.99 in back-end points. Because it's in their flyer, there should be a coupon, but it's not there. So just maybe wait a couple days. It should pop up maybe tomorrow. Absolutely thoroughly delighted, guys, that all of those mystery coupons worked. Again, if you didn't get it, maybe something later in the week will show up for you. But very, very pleased with Walgreens today. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.